Ever wondered how to avoid costly equipment breakdowns? Today we're talking about preventive maintenance. Ensure smooth operation and avoid costly repairs with regular preventive maintenance. Importance of preventive maintenance. It increases equipment longevity, improves efficiency, and saves money in the long run. Examples of preventive maintenance. This could be as simple as regular oil changes for your car, or scheduled inspections and servicing for industrial machinery. How to implement preventive maintenance. Create a maintenance schedule for equipment with specific maintenance requirements.
Preventive maintenance saves time and money. Act now for uninterrupted operations. Stay tuned for more tips on effective maintenance strategies.